Making sense of decimals, an easy guide to addition. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving into the world of numbers, specifically looking at decimal numbers. Our main focus will be on adding decimal numbers with the same number of decimal places. This might seem tricky at first, but don't worry. We're going to make it as simple as counting 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. Before we jump into adding decimals, let's refresh our understanding of what decimal numbers are. A decimal number is a number that contains a decimal point. The decimal point separates the whole number part from the fractional part. For instance, in the number 3.14, 3 is the whole number part and 14 is the fractional part. Now, let's look at how to add decimals with the same number of decimal places. The golden rule here is to always line up your decimal points. For example, if you're adding 3.14 and 2.56, it should look like this. 3.14 plus 2.56. Notice how the decimal points are in line. That's what we're aiming for. Next, we just carry out the addition as we would do with whole numbers, starting from the rightmost digit, or the smallest place value. Let's continue with our example. 3.14 plus 2.56. 5.70. There you go. The sum of 3.14 and 2.56 is 5.70. One common mistake is forgetting to put the decimal point in the answer. Remember, when we're adding decimal numbers, our answer must also be a decimal number. So don't forget to put that decimal point in the correct spot, lined up with the others. Another mistake is not starting from the rightmost digit. Remember, just like with whole numbers, we start adding from the smallest place value, which is on the right. And that's it, everyone. You've now learned how to add decimal numbers with the same number of decimal places. It's as simple as lining up your decimal points and adding like you would with whole numbers. We hope this lesson has made adding decimals a little easier to understand. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro. Until next time, happy learning!